Good morning and welcome to the shortest day here in Australia this year. So currently we have about 12 or 13 degrees and it's a rather bleak day in a way, but at least it's kind of warm, because just a week or so ago we had 5 degrees in the morning. So let's just show you a bit how bleak it is. I don't know, it's just no sun, grey and bleak. So I have a few things planned today and I'm taking you along. So let's see if we can tick off everything that's on my list. Yeah, see how we go. Good morning, how are you? Is it an almond croissant there? I would like to have one, please. Thank you so much. Thank you. Awesome, thank you so much. Enjoy your day. So we're back on the road, finished everything at the markets, and on my way to the markets I remembered that I actually wanted to stop at the library and return my books, but the books are still at home, so I guess it's an extra trip to the library later or at another day. And I would have loved to eat the almond croissant already, because I am a little bit hungry, but I'm just waiting until we get home and have it there with a nice cup of hot chocolate or the coffee chocolate, whatever I call it. So let's get home. It looks so rainy over there. Very bleak and grey, as we already established. actually didn't buy much at the markets, but pumpkin soup, wintertime, perfect. Zucchini and snow peas for the green Thai curry I'm planning to make for dinner tonight. And it's so hard to get them, and they were expensive. Sorry, James, but they're so good. I love them. Sweet purple potato. Purple on the outside, but white on the inside. And just some yummy apples. That's it. Oh, of course, almond croissant. So, coffee and breakfast. Yes, I will keep going on about it because I just love it so much. Those 3 products actually from Harmony. That's the mushroom latte. I just don't drink coffee anymore, and this is just all I need. Oh. Also, special plate for a special morning breakfast. Guten Appetit. So if you have been watching my last video, the only reason why... Let's try this again. If you have been watching my last video, the only reason you might be watching this video is to know if I purchased the bike or not. It's a long story. I did go for a bike ride last weekend with a friend of mine. You always gotta wait for the man. Ready?
Gotta bleed my rear brake soon. So I'm ready.
Ready. Very good. I just hope my tire will be, you know, taking us all the way to the end. Jesus Christ.
behind you. Straight right up the hill.
It's just so bizarre that in the middle of nowhere we have those mango trees, and they're quite big. Bunny hopping? Unfortunately, it was not on the new bike. So yes, I did purchase it. I have been told 1 to 2 weeks, but it turned out to be about the 4 to 5 week mark until I can finally pick it up. So yes, I have purchased it, but no, I don't have it yet, unfortunately. This is actually really good. So nothing much has really happened over here. I am, however, really looking forward to my new bike. I know a lot of people will probably give me shits about it, including my husband, but you know what? I don't care. I'm out there having fun. And the main thing, honestly, is I'm just out there again. Hopefully I can pick up my skills quicker this time because I don't have to drag myself up the hills. But yeah, I do have a couple of, rides already planned. I was supposed to already ride this weekend because I was supposed to have it already, but all those rides just got pushed out a bit further. So it just takes me just a bit longer to get used to the bike and see how far it can take me. But I am really looking forward to it. As you can imagine, I do have a few rides planned where I take you along. You, me, and the bike. Sounds like a good adventure. If someone else is out there making video content, can you let me know if you're writing scripts or if you just basically have an idea, like a rough idea of what you want to film, turn on the camera and then just go for it? Because I really struggle with writing scripts. Maybe I should though, because I don't think there's a lot of logic to my videos.